One of the add-ons you can do if you order a Bronco headliner is add this material. It's called Sound Assassin. It's a very dense material. It's almost like tar, and what it does is dampen vibration really well. It also blocks heat if you cover the whole area. Normally you put it on your floor pan, which you can do on this vehicle, but this is the kit that we're going to sell with the headliners. You're going to get 9 of these strips. They're about 4 inches wide, and you're going to get 2 of these big ones, which are about 9 by 18, I believe. And then you're going to get a little roller to help you install them. And I'm going to show in just a minute exactly how to install all this. The next thing we're going to do is take this piece of Sound Assassin. We're going to put it right in the middle of this. It can go basically right up against there. And the way to do it is you just peel it back, peel about halfway back. Stick it on like that. Just pull the rest off. And then you're going to take this little roller we give you. And you're going to roll it down really good. You kind of want the little texture in it to flatten out pretty much. Okay, we have this is the passenger side. We have it all installed with the Sound Assassin. Here is a bare one. I want you to listen to the difference. Can you hear that? Sounds completely different. The Sound Assassin just completely deadens that, and this is going to really help absorb the sound that's bouncing around in there, the headliners, and knock down all the heat.